What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Today I'm going to go ahead and show you a car that I just picked up. The car is 2002. It's got a K24 in it, 5-speed manual, and it's 4-door. That's all I can tell you right now. Before you see the rest of the video, pause the video real quick, drop a comment down below, and let me know what you think it is. Alright, this is a car that I wanted for a very long time, since I was back in middle school. My buddy's dad had one, but, you know, this is a second generation. I'm probably giving too much information right now. But yeah, man, I decided to pick one up and I'm loving it. So this is now my new daily driver. I've already got some stuff done to it. I did have it all recorded and documented, but I lost the video due to my phone crashing. So I no longer have those clips. I do apologize, but I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys the car and show you what I've done to it so far. So if you guessed CRV, you're 100% correct. It's a 2002 Honda CRV, 5-speed manual, came with a K24, I believe A1, which is a 160 horsepower from the factory. Not a bad platform at all. And the cylinder head on this thing actually flows really good. If you do some research, you find out that this thing actually flows more, I believe, more than the K24 A2, which comes in the TSX. Yeah, let's go ahead and give you guys a walk around. For those who are keeping up with the Del Sol bill, do not worry. This thing is getting tuned on December 1st of this year. Appointment's already locked in. I just got a few things to do on it, which is the fuel system and I think some vacuum lines and the exhaust. Yeah, here's the CRV. So this thing came with stock wheels, which are 15s. Here's one of them right here. But yeah, so I went ahead and purchased these recently. These are 16s, and I got some new tires on them. Some new Goodyear. So pretty good tire. The wheels feel pretty good. The windows came tinted. I'm not sure if this is from the factory or the previous owner tinted them, but they came tinted. I cleaned the headlight a little bit because they were pretty foggy. And as we walk around, I'll take you guys on the inside. So it's fairly clean overall. Got power windows, power locks, all the goodies. So the car did not look like this when I first bought it. So one thing I did was I went ahead and I removed the stock radio. I put this touchscreen in it. This was previously in my Subaru WRX that I had, the blue one. If you guys probably seen that on the channel, but this was on the Subaru, and I took it out before I sold the car. Now we're putting it back to good use. And what else has been done here so far? Yep. Subwoofer and everything's installed. That's why the wire is showing. I did broke a few of the clips. Well, a couple of the clips while doing the install. One of them being this one right here. This one flew off somewhere. I don't know where it is. I'll get some new clips and I'll go ahead and put this in. But overall, man, it's not bad at all. It's not a bad car. Just needs a little more cleaning. But it's not bad at all for what it is. Like I said, it's an 02, so the car's about almost 20 years old now. Can't expect too much from 2002. But it's a great platform, great car. And here's a subwoofer that I just installed today. So everything is working. As you can see, all the wires are hooked up. You got your power, ground, remote, turn on, speaker wires, and then you got man, I can never remember what these are called. But anyways, those are the ones that go from the back of the radio to this. They're like the audio wires or whatever they're called. And then my ground is currently here. I'm gonna go ahead and push this box back. Only problem right now is the line is kind of short. So me pushing it back, I'm not able to ground it to this point right here. So I'm just gonna find another ground so I can, get it nice and tucked. But yeah, let me know what you guys think, man. Was this what you expected? Let me know what you think. I got it for a fairly good deal, man. I can't complain for what I paid. Like I said, I'm not sure if I mentioned this already, but I traded my Nissan Armada to purchase this. I only had to come out of pocket a few $100. For some people, that's a downgrade, But for me, you know, gas prices going up, man. It's not a bad move at all. Not to mention, this thing has a motor that I really want, the K24. It's often cheaper to buy a car with the motor than to do a swap. Not saying I'm not a big fan of swaps. I am. It's just, you know, it costs a lot to do swaps. And look what else you know. We got a spare motor. It's funny how this happened, man. I actually picked this up before I got that car, not knowing I was even going to have a CRV. But I picked this up to do a possible swap in one of my future builds, which I haven't showed you guys yet, but I'm pretty sure you guys have seen, but don't know. So if you look straight ahead, that's my EK hatch. Yes, this car's been sitting here in the background for a very long time. I have not done a complete reveal on her yet, but this is comes with a D series, and it's automatic. Yeah, I know, thumbs down, But so my plan is to get this damn thing swapped over to 5-speed manual, and who knows, we might do a K24 build. I'm not sure yet. I might do a K24 build. I might do a B series build. Maybe I do a K24 all motor. I don't know yet. Let me know what you guys think I should do with this, man. Let me know. Yep. Yeah, she's not bad at all. I picked this thing up months ago, and I haven't really done anything to it yet. But it's in the interiors. It's pretty shitty. It's in bad shape. But overall, it's easy fix. You know, easy fix. I'm not so worried about that right now. But let's get back to the CRV. Look at her, man. She's on 4 jack stands. Just waiting for the fuel system to be done. I'm gonna get to work soon, guys. I had a car I was supposed to work on today that didn't show. So I was hoping to get that done and then knock that one out. Because once I put that in the garage, it's gonna be there for a few days. I don't want to be moving it back and forth every day. So yeah, so the engine bay got a lot of rust. You know, like, yeah, a little rusty, you know, brackets and stuff. You know, a little bit of rust all over. I'm not sure where this car originally came from. It does have a Pennsylvania sticker on it somewhere. As you can see, the wire for the, you know, my subwoofer and amplifier. And currently, I'm not running a fuse on it. I'm gonna have to purchase one and run it on it. I've already installed HIDs on it. That's one of the mods that I recently did. Like I said, I had everything documented, guys. But once I lost my phone, I lost all that video. The video was actually complete. It was already published. I lost it all. I'm gonna go ahead and tuck these in nice and neat. I just haven't had a chance to go back yet. But yeah, look at that. Yeah, man. Let me know what you guys think. Is this what you expected? Let me know.